As the Amazon burns, the smoke poisons its people. Brazil has laws that are meant to protect the rainforest, but since President Jair Bolsonaro took office in 2019, enforcement of those laws has been negligible, and destruction of the Amazon rainforest has surged to levels unseen in a decade. During his first year, government data reveals an increase of 85% in forest loss. Fires in the Amazon's verdant rainforest are not a natural phenomenon. Deforestation is followed by fires deliberately set by people looking to clear the land for agriculture, cattle grazing, and real estate speculation, among others.
Viver uma temporada de queimada ou de incêndios florestais aqui na região da Amazônia realmente é marcante, né? Você sente o ar pesado, né? Então o impacto é geral, é fauna, flora e ser humano, todo mundo sofre.
In the last 35 years, more than 500,000 square kilometers of rainforest have been razed, most of it illegally. A Human Rights Watch investigation uncovered how the state is letting criminal mafias get away with destroying the rainforest, and the repercussions have been disastrous. In 2019, more than 5,500 square kilometers were burned. By April 2020, there were already a total of 4,500 square kilometers of deforested land that could be burned during this dry season. And despite the government claiming they were now clamping down, the razing and fires continue. The smoke from burning forests contains a mixture of toxic pollutants, including fine particulate matter known as PM 2.5, which can penetrate the lung barrier and enter the bloodstream. Our research estimated 2,195 hospitalizations for respiratory illnesses in 2019 were associated with exposure to these toxic pollutants from the fires. These included more than 1,000 patients aged 60 or above, and almost 500 infants under 1. Doctors fear the patients they see are just a tiny fraction of those falling seriously ill from the fires. Indigenous people in Brazil are particularly affected by the fires and often live far from medical care.
E aí a gente precisa começar a pensar de forma mais potente acerca de como esses processos que incidem sobre a Amazônia refletem na vida dos habitantes dali.
COVID-19 makes the situation even more dangerous. Brazil's health system is already struggling to cope with the COVID-19 pandemic, and doctors say the fire season will endanger even more people.
Se ele entra em contato com a fumaça e agrava a doença respiratória, ele é obrigado a se deslocar para um serviço de saúde, que já está estrangulado. Se você coloca em risco aquele um caso simples de bronquite, então muita gente que não tinha Covid vai para o serviço, por isso é o grande medo. E quando chega no serviço, se não tinha, passa a ter.
These devastating effects can be prevented. Authorities should stop the deforestation and fires that are the source of the toxic haze. And they need to take action now to protect the rainforest and to enforce safe air quality standards to protect the lives and health of millions in the Amazon region.